The environmental impact of the textile industry is alarming. From water pollution to water scarcity, the fashion industry is contributing to the degradation of our planet. Did you know that it takes over 3,000 liters of water to produce just one cotton t-shirt and over 8,000 liters of water for a pair of jeans? The water consumption doesn't stop there. The dyeing process alone requires 5.9 trillion liters of water each year, and 85% of this water ends up polluting nearby water sources. But we can make a difference. By becoming more mindful of our fashion choices, we can help to reduce the environmental impact of the textile industry. We can choose to shop sustainably, support brands that prioritize eco-friendly practices, and extend the lifespan of our clothes by donating or upcycling them. It's time to take action and preserve our planet for future generations. Every small step we take towards sustainability, such as reducing our water consumption, can make a difference. Let's choose a sustainable future, where we can enjoy fashion without harming our planet.